Hello students, myself Pankaj Kumar and today I am going to discuss chapter 3 advanced features of word processor. So let's start. As we know, word processor is an application software which allows us to create, edit and print a document. It also has got many features which we can use while creating a document. Okay, so word processor package provides the facility to create professional looking document using various theme visual effects with formatting tools. Tools are mainly divided into three categories. They are formatting tools, editing tools and drawing tools. Now we are going to discuss formatting tools, and the first topic which you can see, that is Format Painter. So it is one of the formatting tools where you can quickly apply the same formatting like font color, font size, font style, etc. to multiple pieces of text or graphic. So Format Painter allows us to copy the format of particular text or paragraph and apply the same formatting to the multiple pieces of text or graphics. Understood? Now let me show you the example and you try to understand the concept of Format Painter. Suppose here we have two paragraphs. This one is paragraph number 1 and this one is paragraph number 2. Okay, in paragraph number 1 I have applied some format like color and underline, and if you want same color and underline in this paragraph also, in that case you have to use Format Painter. Now let's see the step. First you have to select the text or paragraph for format. Okay, then click on Format Painter. As you click, you will notice your mouse pointer changes into paintbrush. Okay, and now drag over the text where you want the same format. Now I am going to drag. Suppose I want till here. Now you can see the format changed now. Okay, this is how you can use Format Painter. I hope it is clear to you. Once again, first select the text or paragraph whose format has to be copied, then click on Format Painter. Okay, you can notice the mouse pointer changes into paintbrush. Now drag over the text. You can see the change on screen. Okay, this is how you can apply the same formatting to multiple pieces of text or graphics. Understood? Now here we have second topic, that is shadow effects. It is a special visual effect added to an object that you insert in a document. The object may be shapes, picture or word art text. First let me explain you how to insert the shapes in your working area. After that I'll show you how to give shadow effects. Okay, so for inserting shapes in your working area, first click on Insert tab. Okay, then click on Shapes button. Then you can choose any object from here, like I am selecting this one. Now draw in your working area. Okay, this is how you can insert the shapes in your working area. Now how to give shadow effect to this shape. Okay, for that first select the shape, then click on Format button under Drawing tool, then click on Shape Effect. Now you can see shadow effect here. Okay, just click on shadow effect and choose any one according to your desire. Suppose I am selecting this one. You can notice the shadow appeared just below the object. This is how you can give shadow effect to the object. Understood? So today we have seen the concept of format painter and shadow effect. So children, what is format painter? It is one of the formatting tools where you can quickly apply the same formatting to multiple pieces of text or graphics. Now, what is shadow effects? It is a special visual effect added to an object that you insert in a document. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.